Okay, today we're gonna go ahead and work on the ZX6R. Yeah, let's get wrenching. I got some LED tinted blinkers that are gonna replace good old stock. Now realizing I should have took off the crash cage just to get the fairings off to replace the light. I was already frustrated. I just wanted to get it done, and you see me now. I went ahead and pulled the black belly pan. It has 6 clips, and I pulled them off, split it apart, pulled them out, and I was able to get to where I needed to be. Now that we're done with this side, let's go to the other side. I'm not gonna bore you, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do it, and then we'll check it out when it's all done. After I put the belly pan back on and all that. Let's go. Bang.